Welcome to the FD Hurka Metrology channel. Today, we are looking at how to choose between on-site and laboratory calibration services. Both options have their place, and the right choice depends on your equipment and your operation. Let us break it down. What is the difference between on-site and laboratory calibration? On-site calibration is performed at the customer's facility, while laboratory calibration is completed in a provider's controlled calibration lab. The main difference is where the work takes place and the conditions surrounding it. Why is on-site versus lab calibration an important decision? It is important because the right choice depends on the equipment, the environment, the required level of control, and how the tool is used in the facility. Choosing the wrong setting can affect calibration quality or create unnecessary disruption. When does on-site calibration make sense? On-site calibration may make sense when equipment is difficult to move, closely tied to production, or best left in its normal operating location. It keeps the process simpler when removing the tool would be impractical. When is laboratory calibration a better option? Laboratory calibration may be a better option when the instrument benefits from a temperature and humidity-controlled environment and reduced exposure to dust, oil, vibration, or temperature changes. Does environmental control affect calibration decisions? Yes, environmental conditions can influence calibration quality, especially for instruments that are sensitive to temperature shifts, vibration, or contamination. A controlled lab can reduce those variables. Should equipment mobility be considered in on-site versus lab calibration? Yes, if the equipment can be moved safely and without disrupting operations, laboratory calibration may be practical. If moving it creates risk or interruption, on-site calibration may be the better fit. How do traceability and documentation affect the choice? Both on-site and lab calibration should support proper documentation and traceability, so the measurement results can be connected to recognized standards. The location does not change that requirement. Does one option always provide better results than the other? No, there is no universal answer. The better option depends on the technical needs of the instrument, the environment, and the facility's operational requirements. Each situation should be evaluated individually. Can a facility use both on-site and laboratory calibration services? Yes, a hybrid approach can work well when some tools are better suited for laboratory calibration and others are better suited for on-site service. Many facilities find this is the most practical strategy. What factors should be reviewed before choosing on-site versus lab calibration? Important factors include equipment mobility, environmental control, required accuracy, documentation needs, process disruption, and the provider's available calibration capabilities. The strongest decision balances measurement needs and operational realities. At FD Hurka Metrology, we offer both in-house and on-site calibration services for precision measurement instruments. Our laboratory is temperature and humidity controlled, certified to ISO 17025 standards, and holds A2LA accreditation. Visit our website to learn more about which calibration approach fits your operation.